here back after a very short span of break. Now today this class is for class 7th and we will be discussing chapter linear equation in one variable. So first of all, what is an equation? So equation is a mathematical statement such that two expressions are equal. Suppose I say 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So this is a mathematical expression, this is a mathematical expression, and this makes a kind of statement. We can easily make out from this that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So this is the equation. And what is the equation? A mathematical statement where two expressions are equal. This is one expression or first expression, and this is the second expression, and these are equal. This is a mathematical statement, so we can say that this is a equation. Now next thing is, what is an algebraic expression or algebraic equation? Algebraic equation is an equation which contains at least one variable. Suppose I say that 5x plus 2 is equal to let's say 9, or we can say 8, or we can say 12. Let's say 12. That is easy. Suppose I am saying 5x plus 2 is equal to 12. So x is a variable. So now this equation has added one more thing, that is a variable. So this will be known as linear equation in one variable. Why one variable? Because it has only one variable, that is x. Suppose it would have been 5xy plus 7xy is equal to 24. So this is having two different variables. One is x, one is y. So we are not concerned with this, so we are not going to discuss anything in this. But I just wanted to make you understand that linear equations can have one or more variables. So first thing is, we will be discussing linear equation in one variable. This is a linear equation in one variable. Now when we solve this equation and we get any value of the variable, suppose 2 goes to this side, this will become 5x is equal to 12 minus 2, that is 10. 5x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 upon 5, that is 2. So this value, this numerical value is true, or it exists for the value x. Therefore, this x is equal to 2 is known as solution of the linear equation. The process of finding the number of for a variable in an equation is called the solving of equation. We solve it and we get the value as 2. Means this whole process that we are following to get the numerical value of the variable x, numerical value 2 of the variable x, is known as process, or it is known as the solution of linear equation. So we will be studying about how to solve linear equations. Now we move on to exercise. Now first exercise that I am taking is exercise 12a, and in this we have to solve the given equations. So first I am starting from question number 2, or we are doing in the multiples of 2. Now the question is 3x minus x is equal to 8. 3x minus x will be 2x. 2x is equal to 8. In the next step, 2 goes to the denominator. So x becomes 8 upon 2. That is 4 is the final value. Now we move on to the fourth question. 2x, that is 2x plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 20. Now you can see two variables and two constants. So 3 and 2 is 5x, and this 5 goes to this side, is equal to 20 minus 5. 20 minus 5 is 15, and this is 5x. So x is equal to 15 upon 5, that is 3. Now next question number 6. 3 times x plus 1 is equal to 15. Now very simple, since 3 is multiplied to this whole bracket, better we take 3 to the other side. When the 3 goes to the other side, it will become a division. So we can say x plus 1 is equal to 15 upon 3, that is 5. So we got x plus 1 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 minus 1, that is 4. Now next, question number 8. What is question number 8? 5x plus 2. 5x plus 2 is equal to 3x plus 12. 3x plus 12. The basic thing that you need to remember is that all the variables need to be on one, or maybe left hand side or right hand side, means on one side of the equal to, and all the constant terms need to be on the other side of the equal to solve any of the linear equation in one variable. Now in this you can see one variable is this side of the equal to towards the left hand side, other is on the right hand side of the equal to. So I am bringing this 3x to the left hand side. It will change its sign, or it will become negative. So that can be written as 5x minus 3x is equal to 12. This 2 goes to this side, minus 2. 5 minus 3 is 2x. 12 minus 2 is 10, implies that x is equal to 10 divided by 2, that is 5 is the final value. Now we move on to question number 10. 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 is equal to 9 minus x. Again in this, minus x comes to the side, so it will be 2x. When it comes minus x to the side, it will become plus, change its sign. So is equal to 9, and this minus goes to the side, again plus 3. So 3x is equal to 9 and 3, 12. So x is equal to 12 upon 3, that is 4. Question number 12. 3x plus 5 minus x. 3x plus 5 minus x is equal to 17. Now in this constant term goes to the right hand side, so we can write it as 3x minus x is equal to 17 minus 5. 17 minus 5 is 12, 3x minus x is 2x, so x is equal to 12 upon 2, and that is 6 is the final value. Now we move on to question number 14. What is question number 14? 7 plus 3 times 7 plus 3 times x plus 5. X plus 5 is equal to 31. First thing, this 7 goes to this side, so it can be written as 3 times of x plus 5 is equal to 31. Since here it was added, so 7 goes to this side, becomes negative, minus 7. So it becomes 31 minus 7 is 24 is equal to 3 times of x plus 5. Now 3 is multiplied to the bracket, we are bringing 3 to the other side, it comes in division. So x plus 5 is equal to 24 upon 3, that is 8. So x is equal to 8, 5 goes to the side, minus 5, and that is 3. That is the final value. Now question number 16. X is equal to 17 minus 3 times 2x plus 1. So simple, x is equal to 17 minus, open the bracket, 3 2s are 6, minus 6x, 3 1s are 3, minus 3. Now 6x is negative, comes to the side, becomes positive. So 6x plus x is equal to 17 minus 3 is 14. 6 plus 1 is 7x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 upon 7, that is 2 is the final value. Now question number 18. 18 is 8x plus 2 times of x minus 2. X minus 2 is equal to 35 minus 3x. 35 minus 3x. Now we'll just move on to this side because I have filled with the space. So we'll start with question number 18 from after rubbing it out. Now question number 18 is 8x plus 2 times of x minus 2 is equal to 35 minus 3x. First of all, we need to open the bracket. So it will be 8x plus 2x minus plus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 is equal to 35 minus 3x. Now all the variables to one side and constant to other side. So this minus 3x comes to the side will become positive. So 8x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 35 plus 4, that is 39. 8 and 2, 10 and 3, 13. 13x is equal to 39. X is equal to 39 upon 13, that is 3 is the final value. Now we move on to question number 20. 5 times of 2x plus 6 is equal to 38 minus 2 times of 5x minus 6. In this also we will open the brackets first. So 5 2s are 10x plus 6 5s are 30 is equal to 38 minus 5 2s are 10x minus plus 6 2s are 12. All the x means variables to one side and all the constants to other side. So minus 10 comes to the side will become plus. So we can write it as 10x plus 10x is equal to 38 plus 12, and this goes to 30 plus 30 goes to the other side will become as minus. So minus 30. So 38 into 40 and 10 50. 50 minus 30 is 20 and 10 plus 10 is 20. 20x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 divided by 20, that is 1. Now the next question is question number 22. That is if 7x minus 2 is equal to 21. Okay, we are doing that is tick mark question. 22 says 7x minus 2. 7x minus 2 is equal to 21 plus 10x. Then find the value of x. So 10x comes to this side, 2 goes to that side. It means it can be written as 7x minus 10x is equal to 21 plus 2. 21 plus 2 is 23 and 7 minus 10 is minus 3x. I hope you understand this. So x will be minus 23 upon 3. And they say a fraction, an integer, a rational number, and none of these. So you can say it is a rational number or you can say it is a fraction. Basically it is a rational number. So it is a rational number, that is C part. So this finishes with your exercise 12A. Now we move on to exercise 12B, and there we will be discussing with few of the fractional problems. So now let's see what is there in 12B. Now we move on to exercise 12B. In 12B we will get questions in which we have to solve the fractions. In the previous exercise, in the questions we had integers, but now we will be solving questions. We will be doing in the multiples of 2. So now second question is x upon 2 plus 4 times of x is equal to 18. What we need to do? We need to take the LCM. LCM will be 2. This will become x. This will become 4 2s are 8x is equal to 18. Then cross multiplication. So 8x plus x is 9x and 18 2s are 36. So x is equal to 36 upon 9, that is 4 is the final value. Now we move on to question number 4. Now what is there in 4? N upon 2 plus n upon 5. N upon 2 plus n upon 5 is equal to 7. Again in this also we will take the LCM. LCM will be 10. 2 5s are, so it will become 5n plus 5 2s are, so it will become 2n is equal to 7. This n, this 5n, 2 is 7n upon 10 is equal to 7. Cross multiply, 7n is equal to 7 into 10. So n will be 7 into 10 divided by 7. This 7 moves to this side, so it will come in division. 7 and 7 cancelled off. We got n is equal to 10. Now we move on to question number 6. In question number 6, 2u upon 3 minus u upon 5 is equal to 14. So LCM is 15, 3 5s are 15, 3 5 2s are 10. This will become 10u. 3 divides 15, 5 is there. 5 multiplies by 2u, so it is 10u. Minus 15 is divided by 5, we get 3. 3 times u is 3u is equal to 14. 10 minus 3 is 7u is equal to, by cross multiplication, 14 into 15. So u will be 14 into 15 divided by 7. 7 goes to this side, will come in division. So 7 2s are, implies that u is equal to 15 2s are 30. That is the final value. Now we move on to question number 8. Now look at question number 8. It seems to be complex one. It is x plus 3 upon 7 minus of 2x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to 3x minus 5 upon 5 minus 25. What we can do, we can bring this 25 to the left hand side so that it becomes positive, and this total term to the right hand side, or simply what we do, we take the LCM. There are so many ways, but generally we will use the easiest method. What we will do, we will take the LCM of the left hand side. So 7 3s are 21. Now 7 divides 21 is 3. 3 is multiplied to this whole number, means 3 times x plus 3. Then we got minus, we will put a minus. 3 7s are, so 7 times 2x minus 5 is equal to, here the LCM will be 5. So 5 1s are 5, 1 is multiplied to 3x minus 5 minus 5 times 25, because this can be written as 25 upon 1. So 1 divides 5 is 5, 5 into 25, so that is what I have written like this, 5 into 25. Now when you open the bracket, 3x plus 3 3s are 9 minus 7 2s are 14x plus 7 5s are 35 upon 21 is equal to 3x minus 5 minus 5 into 25 is 125 upon 5. Now 3 and minus 14 will give you minus 11x. 14 and 3 minus 11. 35 and plus 9 will give you 44. 9 and 5 14, 1 carry, 3 1 4 upon 21 is equal to 3x, 125 and 5 130 minus 130 upon 5. Now what we do, we will cross multiply. It means 5 times of minus 11x plus 44 is equal to 21 times of 3x minus 130. So when we multiply, 5 into minus 11 will be minus 55x, then 5 4s are 20, 5 was 220, so 44, then it will be plus 220. 44 into 5 will be 220, 5 4s are 20, 0, 2 carry, 5 4s are 20 and 2 22, so like this, is equal to 21 into 3 is 63, so it is 63x minus 130 into 21, so 13 ones are 13, 3 1 carry, 13 twos are 26 and 127, 2730. Now what we do, this negative 55x will go to that side, this negative 2730 will come to this side. So we can write as 2730 plus 220 is equal to 63x plus 55x. 5 and 3 8, 6 and 5 11, 118x. 0 3 and 2 5, 7 and 2 9, 2950. It means or implies that x is equal to 2950 upon 118, and we will solve it out. After solving, we will get it as 25, that is the final value. Now we move on to question number 10. Next we are taking question number 10, that is x plus 3 upon 2 minus 3x plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 times of x plus 2, x minus 2 upon 3 minus 2. Again same thing, we will take the LCM. Here 2 and 4 are the denominators, so LCM will be 4. So 2 2s are 4, it means it will be 2 times of x plus 3 minus 4 1s are 4, so 1 of 3x plus 1. 1 either you write or you don't write. So if you want, we can write it as minus 1 into 3x plus 1 is equal to, here also the LCM is 3. This will be as it is 2 times of x minus 2 minus 3 2s is 6. I am writing 6 directly. Now we will open the bracket. So 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 3 is 6. Minus 1 into 3x is minus 3x, and minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 2x minus 4 minus 6 upon 3. Now 2x minus 3x is negative of x. 6 minus 1 is plus 5 upon 4 is equal to 2x minus 6 and 4 is minus 10 upon 3. Cross multiply. So 3 times of minus x plus 5 is equal to 4 times of 2x minus 10. So this becomes minus 3x plus 15 is equal to 4 2s are 8x minus 40. Now minus 3x goes to the side, 40 comes to the side. So 40 will become positive. So 40 plus 15 is equal to 8x plus 3x. So 40 and 15 is 55, and 8 and 3 is 11. 11x is equal to 55 implies that x is equal to 55 upon 11, that is 5 is the final value. Now we move on to the next, that is question number 12. Question number 12 says 2.8v. 2.8v, here v is the variable, is equal to 54 plus v. So what we can see in this, 2.8v, only v means 1v. This v comes to the side, it means 2.8v minus v is equal to 54. I mean to say, suppose I say instead of v, you can take it as oranges. 2.8 oranges is equal to 54 plus oranges. So all the oranges kept together and all the other things kept together on the other hand side. So 2.8 minus 1 will be 1.8v is equal to 54. This was 2.8 and then 1v. V and v, or you can say 1.0. So what is left? 1.8v is left. So that is why it is 1.8v. So v will be 54 divided by 1.8. Remove the decimal, increase 1 0. So 18 3s is 54. 3 times 10 is 30. So v is equal to 30. That is the final value. Now we move on to the last question, that is question number 14. Now the 14th question says x minus 10% of x is equal to 27. So it is x, 10% means 10 upon 100. Of is written as multiplication, of x is like this, and 27. 0 0 cancelled, it came as x minus x upon 10 is equal to 27. Again you will take the LCM. So when you take the LCM, LCM will be 10. This will become 10x minus x is equal to 27. 10 minus 1 is 9x upon 10 is equal to 27. Cross multiply. 9x is equal to 27 into 10. So 9 3s are 27. X is equal to 3 10s are 30. That is the final value. So we have finished two exercises of chapter 12, that is linear equation in one variable. We have done 12A and 12B. Now all these questions which we have done here on the board are supposed to be there in your fair notebook and it can be asked. Now the next topic is solving the word problems. So in the next class we will be discussing about the word problems, or how to read the statement, how to convert it to the mathematical statement, and then solution will be the same thing that you have learned in first two exercises. So till then, keep safe and stay at home. Thank you. Stay blessed.